this one is a lizard. Some beautiful rhinoceros. Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video, and here is many colorful of animals. So let's go for collecting. There is the first one is here. Hey, this one is a blue color. I collecting. There is the green one. Oh, I collecting this green one. And here is the yellow color one. And this one is the orange color. Hey. And there is the next one is a very nice pink color. There is the another one is a blue. Oh. And this one is a orange color. Here is the another orange. This one is a blue one. Oh. And here is the another one is a green. Next one is a green color also. And there is the another one is a yellow color combination. So this one is a blue one. This one is a orange color. Hey. And that is the last one. I collecting outside. So guys, here is many colorful of animals. Let's go for cleaning. So guys, here is my cleaning water, and here is my all of animals and toys. So there is the first one I cleaning. Oh, this one is a horse.
And the filly went on a walk one day. The horse was so in love. He told her that he loved her. The filly was
collecting this horse here. Next one. Oh. This one is a gorilla.
amazing.
Collecting this gorilla here. There is the next one. Oh, this one is a ladybug.
Ladybug, ladybug, ladybug. Ladybug, ladybug, ladybug.
I'm collecting this ladybug here. Next one. Oh, this one is a bee.
Children, I am Miss Cassandra.
Collecting this bee here. Here is the another one. Oh, this one is a dog. Collecting this dog here. Here is the another one. Oh, what is this, guys? This one is a fly. Collecting this fly here. Here is the another one. Oh, this one is a cow. Oh, I'm collecting this cow here. There is the next one. Oh, this one is a Pikachu.
Pikachu. Joy.
Collecting this Pikachu here. And that is the next one. Oh ho, this one is a Iron Man. Collecting outside. And here is the another one. Oh ho, this one is a octopus.
Cause round suckers grab the shellfish.
I collecting this octopus. Here is the another one is a yellow color. Oh ho, this one is a lizard. I collecting this lizard here. Next one. Oh, this one is the zebra. Collecting the zebra here. And there is the another one. Oh ho, this one is very nice and beautiful. Rhinoceros. I collecting this rhinoceros. And there is the another one. Oh ho, this one is a duck. I'm collecting this duck here. And that is the last one. Oh, this one is a monkey. I'm collecting this monkey here. So guys, here is many colorful of toys and animals. So see you soon with next time. Bye bye, tata.